National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Nashville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Nashville. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Do not stay outdoors if you are in the path of severe thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for Central Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Nashville